Who wants to go first? Yes, Sampada.
So it was beautiful how, at every step, you insisted us to, first you explained every step, but then you insisted us to, try it ourselves when we were, even, doubtful about it. Only through doing we understood a lot of things that you allowed us to learn by our own experience and insisted us to do our homework and so on. So because of the doing, I think this course, as well as under your guidance, we've learned a lot through level one itself. So I'm wondering about how other levels would be.
Thank you. Thank you, Sampada. Okay, who wants to go next? Yes, Ashna.
I really liked the entire course. I felt like, I finally know something in practicality. After bachelor's, I just knew like theories. Now I know how to at least talk to people and how to like summarize what they're feeling and their problems, etc. I really liked how you gave us a chance to work with everybody. So I've worked with everybody in the room, and it's not just one person. So you kind of know how to deal with different people when
Yep.
you're working with so many people. And I liked how you're so patient. Each time I have like small doubts, and I text you and small doubts, and I'm like, ma'am, can you please come to the room? Or ma'am, what is this? And you're just so nice and patient about it. It's really nice. And I liked everything that I've learned, but specifically the anchoring bit, because that worked instantly and I could like see it. And in the morning when I was doing my reading analysis before joining the class, I actually used it and I was feeling better than before, like that, not that nervous. So that was great. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you, Ashna. Okay, who wants to go next? Yes, Swati.
Yeah, ma'am. First of all, I must comment that you are a wonderful trainer. This course is of a very superior quality because I have done some courses earlier also. But you know what marks this distinctly as a better course than others is the fact that you all give us so many experiential exercises. Right from the beginning to the end, there is hand holding at every step. So we don't feel that, okay, what should I do next? What should I do next? And whenever we feel confused or we are overthinking something, not understanding, you're clarifying it at every moment very patiently. You're also giving us some of the demonstrations to us before we start. So that also gives us a confidence. And that was fantastic. I really appreciate your style. Simple, specific, clear, nothing vague about it. And yeah, I mean, you're forever smiling, and this positivity in you, I hope we also sometimes, learn to imbibe the same in ourselves. And I have not been practicing at all for all these years, but now I can say for sure that I have the confidence, and I also feel motivated to take on the other levels of this course, because now I've understood that hypnosis is very powerful, and it can bring about a change in less time. If there are other kinds of things, that could take longer and longer ages for people to get better, maybe in little time this can help them in their lives. And I'm sure that they will also be thankful to a modality like this, hypnosis as well as NLP. Yeah, NLP is also very powerful. The anchoring was really good, and even today, like, I practiced it and it happened. So that's really nice. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I must also say that my other co-participants helped me a lot. I understood by talking to them too. And especially I must say that whether they were experienced counselors or not, I felt that they already had good insight into it. So they too helped me understand a lot about counseling, this entire interpersonal process. Thank
Oh,
you so much.
thank you.
Thanks for giving me the opportunity to give my feedback too.
Thank you for those kind words. Who wants to go next? Yes, Satish.
So, first of all, the thank you so much, ma'am, because the way you respond to different kind of questions, I could imagine that if I were in your place,
Mm-hmm.
so I would have reacted differently, not so in healthy way. So this is one of the learning. And the biggest thing or the tool which I have now is a soft C. Although I had done this course before, but initially at first, whenever we came across any first time anything, that is quite new for us. But now I am very confident about using it. And NLP and hypnosis taught me the different meaning of empathy. So completely surrendering yourself to the map of your client's map. Yeah. So all those things, and even I was very skeptical about the techniques which we should use, and which technique should be used in which context or for which problem. So through this, I think this course is specified that where to use what, and at least we can deal with emotional part, thought disturb, thought level part.
Right.
So all these things is really a great learning for me, and obviously I also learned from all of a co-partner and few of counselors. I'm assuming to connect again with them, or if I'm not into like disorder kind of counseling. Whenever I will come across such kind of clients, maybe I will seek help from senior counselors.
Yes,
And
of
one thing I need, maybe I need from we need help from you. Like I want to complete the second level too, but before that, I think I should complete as many cases as possible.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
So how to go about that, and what should we do to get our initial clients? Maybe after that you can.
Yeah. Sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you for those words, Satish. All right. Who goes next? Yes, Kamala.
First things first, thank you, ma'am. And another thing, the structure of this course on SOPSI. Looking back now, SOPSI was really a flexible thing. We could apply it in daily life.
Yeah.
And I'm really thankful for all the co-participants. I worked with everyone. They're really kind. They were guiding me all along. It was really fun with them, and especially Mayurika. Thank you so much. She was she was bearing with me when I asked small doubts and all. It was really helpful for me because I didn't start my counseling thing yet. So I was really confused at first. One thing I can surely say is this level itself gave me some confidence that I can do something. Yeah, it was really great meeting everyone. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Kamala. Okay. Who wants to go next?
Ma'am, I'll go.
Yes, Mayurika.
Everyone knows that I've been practicing for many years now. So when you've been in practice for many years, there are lots of literature and training programs that you come across that are not adding any new value, and it's not completely value for time. I mean, I'm leaving aside money, that's not what I'm looking for. But time is a greater resource that someone like me, or maybe Sampada, she said, like, she's really pressed of time and taking out all of this time to put into this course. But this was so much value for time. I'll say value for money is a very small thing to say, but value for time, oh my god, this is so much value for time. And apart from that, I really felt you as a trainer are definitely highly knowledgeable. Again, it's I've done training program myself for others, and I don't take that on a big way, but I've done training program for others, I've taken training from others. And when you've been in working and interacting with lots of people, you know how much water is in whom, and who's in how much water. So kitne gehre pani mein, that kind of thing. So although we wouldn't go ahead and say that, hey, I didn't enjoy, or this is not really worth it, but you have, as a trainer, are highly knowledgeable, highly experienced. You were able to take it up beautifully well. And I'm sure people who are new will of course enjoy it, because for them, all of these things that they are doing. But for people who've been working, who's read NLP, who's read all of this, and person still finds this worth their, worth their time invested, it's a great, amazing experience. I would definitely be recommending this course to a lot of people I if to come across, that go ahead, do this course, experience it for yourself. I definitely say that people who are young into the field should definitely start with this course.
Thank you. Thank you. Raj?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Raj.
Yes, ma'am. Course module is very nice, and I'm looking forward to do next level of courses.
Mm-hmm. That's it?
I don't know. I can't figure out
Okay.
at this time actually.
Okay, that's all right. That's all right. That's all right. Okay. So has everyone spoken?